Welcome back to Autoscope. Potential Winnebago motorhome features that might be important include green technology as environmental consciousness grows. Winnebago is probably going to offer hybrid or perhaps electric powertrain options, more sophisticated and effective solar power system to lessen the need for generators, smart technology and connectivity, an advanced infotainment system with voice control and complete smartphone connectivity. Features of a smart house include temperature control through mobile apps, lighting control, and security. 5 or faster internet for on-the-go work or enjoyment. Driver aid and safety, lane departure warning, automated emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring are examples of advanced driver assistance systems ADAS. Parking and maneuvering are made easier with a 360-degree video system. Cybersecurity measures to prevent hackers from accessing the electronic systems of the car. Elegant and adaptable interior design. Adaptable interior design that optimizes comfort and space. Opulent finishes and materials to create a cozy environment. Modern cooking amenities and a fully furnished bathroom. Improved outdoor features, a more robust and sizable automated awning. There is a music system and a TV screen in this outdoor entertainment space, increasing amounts of room for the practical storage of outdoor gear. An advanced automated gearbox would be a better drivetrain. To improve ride comfort, the suspension system was upgraded. Other fascinating features, advanced water management system to increase off-grid time. A more effective gray water recycling system is needed. Water quality and levels are tracked using smart sensors to guarantee that the drinking water is pure and safe. An integrated water filtration system is used. Integration of artificial intelligence AI assistants that can assist with travel planning, campground discovery, and sharing information about nearby attractions.